Hi guys, welcome back. In macOS 27 Golden Gate, Apple has introduced a refreshed visual experience with Liquid Glass, bringing a modern, dynamic, and more immersive look to the Mac. The transparent layers, fluid animations, and adaptive interface elements can make your desktop feel more vibrant and personalized. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to perfectly adjust the liquid glass on your Mac so that it is in line with your preference. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Appearance option in the left sidebar. And then you have to head over to the Liquid Glass section and drag the slider left or right to perfectly adjust the liquid glass intensity. While dragging the slider to the right increases the intensity, dragging it to the left decreases it. And once you have perfectly fine-tuned the settings to your heart's liking, quit the settings app and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fine-tune the liquid glass intensity in macOS 27 Golden Gate or later. Liquid glass is designed to make the Mac interface feel more alive by blending translucency, depth, and motion throughout the system. By customizing these visual effects, you can strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and usability. So whether you prefer sleek, highly transparent appearance or a cleaner, more focused workspace with reduced visual effects, macOS gives you the flexibility to tailor the experience to your needs. Beyond appearance, adjusting the liquid glass can also improve readability, reduce distractions, and even help optimize performance on some Mac models by limiting certain visual effects. It's a great way to make your Mac feel more personal while maintaining the smooth and modern design language introduced in macOS 27 Golden Gate or later. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool macOS feature, make the most of it, and I'll catch you up with the next one.